Yeah, come back to the room.
Hair always grows back. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, I have all of this hair and I'm kind of getting bored with it. I don't style it as much as I used to and it's getting tangled. Instead of dyeing it, I figured I would just cut it. The goal is to cut off... Hi. Oh Lord. Hi. Someone wants attention. Hello. Oh God. Alright, anyways. As I was saying, so yeah, the goal is to cut off a few inches today, and of course I'm gonna do it myself, and I'm gonna film it for you. So I'm gonna do a couple sections. We're gonna start with the bottom. So we're gonna put in kind of small sections. That makes the most sense to me. Because my concern here isn't speed, it's like accuracy. So anyway, I have a tiny section at the bottom. Literally like this tiny section. These cute shears, if you will. They're marble. See that? Okay, they're such a cute marble. Obsessed. So anyway, kind of just thinking like, where do I want this to end? So I have these like pieces already that are like shorter because of like breakage. So I think about that length would actually be kind of cute. So we're just gonna go ahead kind of we're just gonna cut straight across. Here's my hair. This is so cool looking. Anyways, oh, I'm obsessed. That is so soft, you guys. Like literally the ends of this feel amazing. So, down there. God, it's so soft. Okay, I'm obsessed. So, but you can see like the ends of this are just, they're not that healthy, you know, and then this is the end I just cut. Like, look how much nicer that looks. I think this is starting out so cute already, and I've just started, so that's a good sign. Can we just, the before and the after? Basically what I'm noticing is this is a little shorter, so I'm gonna have to cut that one, but that's okay. why I'm going over there and throwing it in the trash. Literally, this link is so fun. Like, duh, obviously it's not even yet, but like, this is such a fun link. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, I'm obsessed. It's so soft. Literally, it's so soft. So now that the length is good, we just have to worry about the actual shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and then style it, and then I'll finish shaping it up. Ignore the fact that I look like a potato. Hair has been washed, and realize another pro to having your hair this short is that you can use so much less product. So my conditioner is gonna last a long time now. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is just my like little update showing you guys the final product, because it's been about a week and I was editing a video and I realized I never did that. Like, my last clip was just like me in the little hair towel thing, so I was like, well, that's not gonna do it for the end of the video. So yeah, I've been loving it still. Let me think. Like, if I would have changed anything, I probably would have gone a little bit longer on the bangs, but then again, like, they'll grow, so I'm perfectly fine with it. And it still feels like super healthy, and I've just been really enjoying it. So yeah, if anybody wants to chop off their hair, do it. You know, why not? There's no reason not to. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up for this little sweetheart. Okay, you're attacking my foot? Hey, can you look at me? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you just want pets? Yeah, is that what you want? So beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.